Sew up the arms. Thread the needle with the yarn tail of the arm. Check the position we'll sew the arms between rounds 9 and 10 of the main body. In this position. Cut off excess yarn tail. Thread the needle with the other yarn tail. And then keep sewing. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. And finally, cut off excess end. Please sew up the other arm in the same way, spacing two arms 6 stitches apart, bilateral symmetry. Two arms are sewn up. Then sew up the legs. Thread the needle with the yarn tail of the leg. Check the position we'll sew the legs between rounds 15 and 16 of the main body. Cut off excess end. Thread the needle with the other yarn tail. And then keep sewing. Cut off excess end. Please sew up the other leg in the same way, spacing two legs 8 stitches apart, bilateral symmetry. Two legs are sewn up. Then sew up the gills. Thread the needle with the yarn tail of the gill. Check the position we'll sew the gills on rounds 5 and 6 of the main body, 3 stitches away from the eyes. Thread the needle with the other yarn tail. And then pull the yarn tail out from the same stitch. Then tie a knot. And cut off excess ends. Use the needle or scissors to hide the yarn ends inside. One gill is sewn up. Please sew up the other gill in the same way. 3 stitches away from the eye by lateral symmetry. Two gills are sewn up. Then sew up the tail. Check the position we'll sew the tail to the back of the body on rounds 14 and 15. Thread the needle with the other yarn tail. And then pull the yarn tail out from the same stitch. Then tie a knot. And cut off excess ends. Hide the yarn ends inside. The tail is sewn up. Then we'll use single strand of black yarn to embroider a V-shaped mouth between the eyes, spanning 2 stitches. Cut off excess end. Thread the yarn tails out from the same stitch, then tie a knot and cut off excess ends. The purple axolotl is completed. Please make the other 3 axolotls in the same way with corresponding yarns.